Well, moving on to a very serious candidate who joins me live here in studio is a good man, Judge John Noverini, who is running for the Illinois Supreme Court. Judge Noverini, thanks again for joining me live here in studio.
Yeah, thank you, Mark. Good to see you again, and thanks for having me on.
Absolutely. And Judge, I've heard you say this many times, and I'm actually hearing it at various events as well, that this Supreme Court race is like the biggest, most overlooked race in the state. But in my opinion, I think this is the most important race. Can you tell us why the Illinois Supreme Court race, your race, is the most important election in Illinois?
Sure. This year, the Republicans, and I'd like to say the conservatives, have an opportunity to take back the Supreme Court. The Democrats have controlled the Supreme Court since 1964 in Illinois. Think about that. 1964. What's going on in this country? You got the Vietnam War. You've got LBJ's president. Otto Kerner is governor. Again, our first Democrat governor to go to jail.
That's right.
In Illinois. Richard J. Daley's mayor of Chicago. So 1964 is how long the Democrats have controlled the Illinois Supreme Court. In this cycle, we have an opportunity, if we could hang on to the second, which is not going to be easy because the Democrats gerrymandered the second judicial district, and if we could take the third, which has been Democrat, in the recent past it's been Democrat, we could flip it from a 4-3 Democrat Supreme Court to a 4-3 Republican or conservative Supreme Court.
And as conservatives, we can't emphasize how important that is to flip that court, and particularly what we've had to deal with as citizens over the last 2 years under Governor J.B. Pritzker and his administration. Having a conservative Supreme Court is historical and quite necessary.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if we get a 4-3 Republican conservative Supreme Court, I mean, you got two different philosophies, and that's the question you ask a judge. What is your judicial philosophy? I'm an originalist. I believe you interpret the Constitution as was drafted or written by our founders. The other side, the liberals, believe that it's a living and breathing document that changes with the culture. And if that's the case, Mark, that renders the Constitution meaningless because it says whatever you want it to say. Now, if we get a 4-3 conservative Supreme Court, a lot of these decisions that are going to come before the court, you're going to get one opinion, or you're going to get, if it's 4-3 liberal, you're going to get another opinion. If you look at the cases in the past, it's usually 4-3, 4-3, 4-3. It depends on your judicial philosophy, how you're going to rule.